Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Install LogMe and Hamachi on every PC that will play Stardew Valley. Use the Windows installer and accept default adapters. Create a new Hamachi network with a clear name and password, then have friends join that network. Look at each machine's Hamachi IP4 address in the client. Write it down for the host to use. Leave Hamachi online and add exceptions to Windows Firewall for the Hamachi adapter so traffic is not blocked. This avoids connection errors when launching Stardew Valley. On the host PC, load the single-player save you want to convert to co-op and choose the option to host a multiplayer farm. Pick the number of cabins and guest slots. Open the in-game options and confirm the server port is 24,642, the Stardew Valley default. Tell guests to connect to the host's Hamachi IP4 address instead of your real IP. Because Hamachi creates a virtual LAN, you generally do not need to forward ports on your router, simplifying setup and reducing security changes. On guest PCs, open Hamachi and confirm you are connected to the host's network, then launch Stardew Valley and choose Multiplayer Join LAN. Enter the host's Hamachi IP4 address and port 24,642 if prompted. The game will connect over the virtual LAN. Ensure every player uses the same game version and identical mod lists, because mismatched mods cause desyncs or connection refusal. If guests cannot connect, restart Hamachi and the game, disable competing VPNs, and add Windows Firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.